Alright, what we have is a high standard. It's called a R109 kit gun. There's problems with the gun right now. I'm going to unload. Show you it's a 9-shot unloaded. Problem right now is it's supposed to be a double action, but the hammer won't go all the way back. There's something blocking it. The double action does work. The single action part doesn't. So we're going to have to disassemble it and see what's going on. First thing we're going to do is take out the crane assembly. Inside there's a pin that holds this. You could just slide this inside, give it a couple of wiggles and it'll slide out. Set that to the side, and there's nothing wrong with that. I'll quickly disassemble the grips so we can get to everything. This is a .22 caliber. It's high standard. This was the pistol that preceded the Sentinel. This was put out in August of 1970. They're known to be real accurate. This one just has a few issues. Alright, you can tell somebody's tried to disassemble it before. That pin was sticking out there. So somebody's either tried to fix it or maybe they're the ones that messed it up. Either way, we're going to see what we can do. This little pin here will pull the whole assembly apart. I know there's a few other videos of this gun, but they're just not many. It's not quite as popular as the semi-automatic. Got one more pin. It can be a little tight. This is an aluminum frame. Some of the steel frames you could use a .22 mag, but this is not one of them. You got to make sure you know what you're doing to put the .22 mags in them. This one did have an adjustable sight. Slide that spring out just to get it out of the way. Alright, now we'll disassemble it. This is your safety bar. This piece here is called the hand. That's actually what's going to rotate your cylinder. Alright, and there's the problem. This pin is sticking out on what they call the pawl, P-A-W-L. And if we look inside, I don't know if you're going to be able to see any of this, but inside here there's actually some marks. And that pin has been scrubbing that aluminum frame. So all we're going to do is push this pin back in. I'm going to do it with pliers simply because you don't want to be putting too much pressure. I'm going to take this hand off, move the pins down, and we're just going to press that back in. And that's it. We're going to hope that that does it. Alright, so I'm going to slide this hand back together. Put the spring back in place. I'm going to reassemble it. Do a quick test. There it is. Let's put everything back together and hope we did it right. You want to try to get your pins to come out the same way they went in. put too much pressure on these frames because they're aluminum. Gotta line everything up just right for these pins to go. There it is. Getting these springs back in this crane assembly can be aggravating. So somebody's taken it out before and bent it. So let's see what we can do to get that to go in the first try. There it is. I won't bother you with putting the grips back on it in the video. I think we all know how to do that. Double action, single action, everything works.